Hello and welcome to this authentic French country estate on 1.2 hectares of land just outside the village of Fayence. We're about 1 hour just under from Cannes, the center of Cannes, as well as Nice airport, and yet a world away with total peace and privacy. All we hear at the moment as it's summer are the cicadas and birdsong. This property has a very rare combination of traditional and authentic French design, French farmhouse style, but being built only 7 years ago, we have all the modern comforts and conveniences that I will point out to you as we go through the tour. So come with me, let's go and take a look. Come on inside. This property, the home itself, is all on one level, 380 square meters. We're going to start with this really exceptional living room. Rarely have I ever seen a living room that has such a connection with the outdoor spaces and with the garden. In summertime, as it is right now, we can open up these windows to all sides, and this indoor-outdoor flow really joins the interior spaces with the garden. We can hear cicadas, we can hear birdsong. And from where I'm standing now, and from all rooms of the house, in fact, we have beautiful views of Fayence, the village on the hilltop opposite, the valley below, and the mountains above. You'll start to notice in the video all of the authentic materials that have been used in the construction of the home, and those are visible. What you won't be able to see in the video are the modern comforts that go along with this particular property that is so rare to find in a historic character home. That includes, for example, underfloor heating and cooling throughout. The home is perfectly insulated as well as having double glazing. So in terms of energy efficiency and costs to run this home, it's nothing like a traditional home that would be hundreds of years old in the same style. Having visited now the living room and dining room space, which opens out onto the gardens and lets plenty of light and natural feel in, we move now to the kitchen. This beautiful kitchen is accentuated by a skylight that lets plenty of natural sunlight in. We have a central island as well, ideal for entertaining. And then the kitchen itself, which has finishes close to my heart because these are black Zimbabwean granite countertops, and I'm from Zimbabwe originally. We have stone finishes as well as a La Conche stove here, ideal for those who love to cook and perfect for winter as well. And then all the modern appliances. So again, this benefit of having the traditional home, if that's your style of architecture that you like, mixed with modern conveniences and comforts. So with the main pantry that I've just walked through from the kitchen, we now come into the entrance hall again that you have already seen. In this entrance hall, what I did not mention before is that there's a staircase coming up on my right over here directly from the double garage. So you have direct access from the garage and parking area up into the home. You have a guest toilet and cloakroom over here as well. And then that completes the living spaces of the home. And now we can take a look at the bedrooms. The bedroom wing of the home has 4 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms, you can see all of the doors behind me. What I want to mention just before we go into the bedrooms is this hallway here has really been thought through. The width of it, which maybe you don't quite get in the videos, gives a sense of space and luxurious living as you go through to each bedroom. So we'll start with the bedroom on my left. You will, of course, have noticed that the bedrooms are no longer furnished. However, each bedroom is spacious. Each bedroom, or three, of four, have walk-in closets that are made to measure, and each of the bedrooms opens out onto the garden and the lovely views. The bathrooms are something really quite special as well. So the bathrooms benefit from this same indoor-outdoor flow that you've seen is a theme in this house. We have traditional materials used, including, for example, these stone sinks, just like we saw in the kitchen as well. Beautiful terracotta tiles, which again are underfloor heated and cooled, so perfect for year-round living. The bathroom is spacious as well, which might come through in the video. We have a walk-in shower in front of me here, the bathtub and toilet. This is the second of 4 bedrooms. As you can see, one of the dressing rooms behind me, fully fitted with solid oak and wooden floors, automatic lighting as well, and access out onto this gorgeous shady garden. Three of the bedrooms are on this level opening out onto the garden, and then a fourth one just on the other side. So you get a feel of this indoor-outdoor flow. We're now going to go and have a look at some of the additional outbuildings. We have, first of all, an office space, which could be a gym, which is next to a lovely pond. We will then go down and visit a guest house that is completely separate, beautifully fitted, and finally the cherry on the cake, the swimming pool and pool house. So let's go and take a look at what remains. These beautifully manicured gardens are watered by a borehole. So there's borehole water for the gardens themselves, and then in the main house it is town municipal water. As you will have noticed by now perhaps, the gardens are planted with Mediterranean plants. We have all of the herbs that you can imagine, rosemary, lavender, thyme, as well as lovely flowers, including roses, including hydrangeas, and many more. Going from this garden and lovely pond, we have what could be and was used as an office space. It could equally be a gym or additional guest space. We have a toilet over here, and it is fitted with air conditioning for cooling in the summer months and heating in the winter. Again, the theme of authenticity, modern comfort, and this connection with the outside garden and spaces. We're back at the main house, and from here we follow this stone-lined path down to the guest house. This guest house is completely separate to the main house that we have seen. It has independent access, 120 square meters of living space, so it really is ideal for guests. They will be very comfortable here. We have all the same noble features in this guest house that we've seen in the main house, as well as all the same modern comforts and the authenticity. So we have the fireplaces, these stone floors, wooden floors in the bedroom, and a fully fitted separate kitchen. So again, as I said before, this really is a very comfortable guest house for receiving friends, family, and those who might want to stay a little bit longer than just a few nights. The bedroom in the guest house is very spacious. We lead out onto the garden on one side, we have a fully fitted walk-in closet on the other, and as you can see behind me, a very spacious and beautifully fitted bathroom, again with all the same noble materials that we saw in the main house. Now, on the other side of the kitchen that we looked at a little bit earlier in the guest house is a room just the same size, which could be a bedroom, of course, making a second bedroom in the guest house. It could also be work from home office, gym, cinema. It is fitted in all the same ways as this bedroom. Completing the guest house is this shaded veranda covered in wisteria. So you can just imagine that in the months where wisteria is in flower, this is a beautiful space to be. We will now head to the swimming pool and pool house. Passing by the parking spaces on our way back to visit the swimming pool and the pool house, it is just worth mentioning that there is plenty of parking. So we have covered carport for 2 cars, and then this double garage that has access, as I mentioned before, directly up into the house. We have parking additionally for about 6 cars, as well as the garage and the carport. I have the main house behind me. So we're all on one flat terraced piece of land and coming now to this very charming pool house with stone basins on the outside and fully fitted internally. This pool house is ideal for entertaining family and friends, even in the winter months, as it has its own fireplace and it's very cozy. This idyllic swimming pool area is surrounded by olive trees, lavender, rosemary. It's the Provençal lifestyle in all its glory. The swimming pool is a 19-meter pool, so you can do lengths in the swimming pool if you're into that. And it's mosaicked, so it has this beautiful shine with the sunshine above it. I hope you enjoyed taking a tour with me today of this very special French country estate with oodles of French authentic charm in the build and the architectural style, but modern conveniences and comfort, a very rare combination in today's day and age. Please do not hesitate to contact me if you have any questions at all. My name is Alice from Fine & Country on the French Riviera, and we hope to see you again very soon. À bientôt!